In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out DocuSign. Navigating digital documents can be a breeze once you know your way around, and DocuSign is no exception. So let's dive right into making this process as smooth as possible. To get started on DocuSign, you'll begin at your home page. Right at the heart of this page, you'll find the Start button. Clicking on this button is your gateway to initiating the process of handling documents. Once you've clicked Start, your next step will involve uploading your documents. You should have your files handy on your computer, whether they're contracts, forms, or any other type of document you need signed, and upload them directly onto the DocuSign platform. It's quick and straightforward, and before you know it, your documents will be ready to go. After your documents are uploaded, it's time to move on to entering essential details. You'll need to fill in the name and email of the person who will be signing the document. Not only that, but you'll also have the opportunity to customize your email subject line. Adding a personalized message is an excellent way to provide context or instructions to the recipient. After you've entered all these details, you'll click Next to proceed. Now comes the part where you add the signing elements to your document. Under the Standard Fields section, you're going to drag and drop the signing field to wherever you want the signatures to be placed on your document. This is a critical step, so take your time to ensure these fields are accurately positioned. You want to make sure that the signature and any other information are precisely where they need to be. Align it properly so that when your recipient receives it, everything is clear and in place. And that's how you prepare your document for signing using DocuSign. Following these steps will help you create a seamless and professional experience for both you and your document recipients. Remember that the more you work with DocuSign, the more intuitive it will become. You'll quickly get into the habit of managing your digital documents efficiently and effectively. With these instructions, you should be well equipped to fill out your documents on DocuSign effortlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on how digital tools can make your life easier and more productive. Until next time, keep exploring those digital solutions and making the most of what technology has to offer.